There we go. This is scary. All right. If this is going live on YouTube, which I believe it should be, automatically. Ugh, I'm still a little tired. That's fine. Still getting used to the mornings. Welcome to the first TwitLess development stream. The vibe or energy today will likely just be very slow. I've only just started the project, and I know practically nothing about Angular. So, oh, we actually, people are here. 4 people. Wild. Absolutely wild. What time is it? Oh, from India. Dang. It's, I think they're 5.5 hours ahead, if I'm not mistaken. It is currently 8:37. Okay, wow, I'm surprised. That's all. Business is booming. Always with the first. Appreciate it. Zaf, Bia, TS. Yeah, what time is it in India? Let's look at the Trello board for a moment. 7 to 7 p.m. Why did I think 5.5? Oh, it's because their UTC plus 5.5. So UTC plus 5.5. EST is -4. So they're 9.5 hours ahead. Cool. Where I am, it's 8:37 a.m. Wait, I'm 5 hours ahead of you? What? Also, you can see the chat delay by looking at what's in the bottom. On this whiteboard layout, I don't know. I thought it was cool, but it kind of looks weird. All right. This stream is, I don't know, half stream, half retroactive. Potentially someone will watch it. Will I go for the full 90 minutes? I don't know. 5 hours. Oh, okay. India's 3 point. Oh, ahead from me. I see what you're saying. Okay. Right, you meant from mine, so you're ahead. I was like, you're up at 3 in the morning? All right. Cool. Today's goal is finish this task here. I'm just gonna change the, of course it is. Finish this welcome page task. I want to make an info button that's functional. Security is apex. Zaf, if you need something to practice penetration testing on, you can freely use my website. I'm glad JSON web tokens are doing their thing. All the routes, like, there was a point where you could type in like a new post and then you could just write a post if you weren't signed in, and I was like, I gotta lock that, or whatever the route is. Okay, I need to get myself oriented and woken up. So yeah, business is, I presume that's somewhere in Western Europe. Let's see if I can make the security apex for this Twitter app. Okay, what I do need to figure out, let's go into VS Code. I'm gonna put the terminal in VS Code just directly because why not? ngserve. I need to make a new version of this, so I'm gonna duplicate this. Testing browser. And then we'll make the active window localhost 4200. Sensitive VS Code. We'll remove that. We'll go ahead and throw... Can I do a browser source, actually? Hold up. Localhost. What if I did... localhost 4200. Does OBS allow this? Oh, That's based. This is stupid for multiple reasons, but yo, that's... Oh, right, Egypt. For some reason, I remember that. Sorry, 8:37 a.m. We are not even. I am not in the evening right now. Wow, that's actually so sick that the browser source works. But then what if I need to force a reload? That's kind of inconvenient, but cool. Window capture, window capture, window capture, window capture. Testing browser. Name is browser. Yeah. Well, it just occurred to me that that could have been the wrong browser. Private window, because why not? All right, we'll center to the best of my ability. This is TwitLess. Log in and you get an alert. Brilliant. Oh, you can't see me. Okay. Let's go back here. All right. Do I want to accept? We'll mute that. If you want music, you can throw something on. Skip. All right. Some background noise to keep my brain a little focused. Okay. So, the goal for today is just today. Okay, tomorrow's the last day of the sprint, but I don't do work on Saturdays. I'm gonna think about this today, and I'll think about this today. But for now, we'll get an info button working. All right. I need a hotkey, don't I? Frick. Can I don't use the arrow keys ever. Just control, do anything? Okay. Apologies. All right, looks like my bitrate's kind of garbage, or the delay. I'll have to figure that out later. I don't want to worry about that. The chat also shows up way delayed, so there's a double delay for the chat showing up below. Hotkeys. Can I just like go up and down scenes? Actually, that's not very smart, is it? All right, so code. Switch to scene will be control left. All right, see ya, business. Thanks for stopping by. Trello and planning will be control up, and then localhost. No. Testing browser will be control down. No, control right. Yeah, that's about it. Apply. Left, up, right. Oh. Oopsie. Cool. Oopsie again. No, I did it. We're good, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Much easier. God, I'm confused. Okay. Step 1, make a button. I shouldn't have... no, never mind, I should. This is the home page. I should make this its own component, actually. It shows up here. This is going to be the worst dev stream for the first like 2 months. I just gotta not focus on the fact of streaming. Unit tests. Okay. Okay, let's focus on the component. So we want the HTML. We have a sign-in button. Yes. What does the prototype say? Do I not? I need that on the Trello board. It's kind of the point. TwitLess, prototyping, prototype. Sure. Oh, right. I can show this very easily. Oh, the PDF's too big for that. You kidding? Okay. So we have a little question mark below, and it shows this. Ooh, this will be a great way to practice the Angular. Just things. Watched a course, but I didn't do any exercises. Okay. This will be rough, but it'll happen. All right. Button. And then when we click it, we'll do on help click class equals button question mark. Yeah, and then we'll do bootstrap icon. Frick. Bootstrap icons. Do I have the bootstrap icon dependency? Don't know. Four not found. Love that. And then, yeah, but I know we need to import them. Do I? Ah, here we are. Imports. NGX bootstrap icons module. Dot pick. What do I want? I want a question mark. Question. Circle. Yes. I'm just copying the guide. What do I do? No. Ah. Use an object, not an array. Okay. Const icons equals question circle. And then you put in icons. That makes sense. Because I needed an object. Alright. And then we use it in template. So button. Do we put it on the button? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Need to make the... This is good. Okay, here we go. Ready for this? Ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this. Show info boolean equals false. Show info equals not show info. Yeah, I did mean this. I hate that you need that every time. And then, you ready for this? I am information. Now, if we go to our browser here, we see I am information shows up. But, and I'm in VS Code, if I go ahead and type in *ngIf show info, and I save that, we see that show info isn't there anymore. But if I change it to not, But if I change it to not show info, oh! Wow, I'm actually doing Angular code. This is great. I'm not. Why? Oh, the time change was because I started 2 minutes late. No, the time change was something I put in the chat yesterday. What am I talking about? Because no, on what's today? Friday? Frig. The time change is something I put in the chat on Wednesday when I didn't. Oh my god! When I didn't start on time because I didn't do this Wednesday. I'm starting today. Okay. Anyway, we have information. Look at the little button over here. Wait, why does that work? Oh, because the function is there. Bro. Okay. This is exciting. This is thrilling. What am I doing? Right, looking for the button styles. This is why I would prefer React at the moment. I have 3 things open right now. HTML, CSS, and TS for every component. Okay. Okay. Button question mark. Thank you. God, I'm so... This is why I didn't stream this on Wednesday. CSS button sign in below that. Brilliant. We display block, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, that's gone. That's fine. We'll put a question mark there so it shows up. Yeah, okay. It's off screen at the moment for OBS. That's why. It's not in the div. Yes, it is. Display. Oh, frick. I do use control arrow keys. Oh, and alt arrow keys does something. And FN. What about control alt? Wow, that's cool, but inconvenient. All right, well, display inline. Yeah, that's not doing it. Because it's just this is a mess. What if I just make it inline, right? And then change the width so that it doesn't fit in the container. What's the buttons line in? 24? I'll put this with half. Oh, no, that worked. Frick. Frick. I do like 12 though. Border. Wait, no, this isn't so. I need to chill for a second. It's because this needs to be display block, but that's gonna push it to the left. I just don't want to put everything in a div, man. Okay. I don't want to figure it out with CSS. 10 pixels. 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 temporary border radius 10 pixels. Sure. Okay, I need this to show an icon, but it's not. Icon names. Did I remove? I installed the wrong library. Oh, it doesn't need to be a freaking I tag specifically. I name equals question circle. No. The well, that's italicized. Thanks. Hold on, let me freaking open what I just had open and then. Oh, you need to add. Okay, I think this is just because I don't know Angular all that well. So this is a directive. And then it's saying name is equal to. Ah, I did mean that. Ah. Ah. Hello. Yes. Great. Class equals question mark icon. All right, now we style this up a bit, this bad boy. Boom. Frick. Boom. Font weight 800. What did I do wrong? Good job. Considers himself great with CSS. Uses square brackets instead. Didn't do a goddamn thing. Nice. We'll do width 10 feet up. No. Yes. And then height will be like 4 VW. Well, I do want to make this thing a circle, so border radius 25%. That's the goal, isn't it? Height 100%, width 100%. Didn't work. How do I style this thing, please? Oh, you style it within. I am using Bootstrap, but I'm not using Bootstrap. Like, I want to effectively do all this with Bootstrap, but class equals BIB question circle. because it's, I just Angular and how do I put this? Bootstrap. Hold on, let me explain in a second. Height. Width. Okay, well that does it. Bootstrap works with Angular, right? But with React, it's just Bootstrap icons are just straightforward. But with Angular, I just assumed it was different. But the thing is, I guess IBS is icon bootstrap for the library, which are custom components. The name is a directive on the component, which tells you what icon to load. And I wanted to do the class here so that I could style it myself, but I guess the component doesn't take styles that way. What did I do here? For VW, which is weird. I guess it makes sense. So if I delete this, it'll go back to small. Yeah. But if I do, like if I float this left, is it gonna move? No, that's the problem that I'm having. Goodbye, thank you for coming. Can't adjust the color of it? That's just weird. I think I found an article that you're talking about. Let me install Bootstrap icons. Did I do that? npm I Bootstrap icons. Save. So weird using HTML comments in 2022. So I class equals bi for Bootstrap icon, I guess. I'll just do search, right? Is that, wait, what? Bi, oh. Question circle. Right, it's not there. Text. Yeah, I don't. No, this was February 2022, so this should be fine. Is there no way to... Okay, I guess there's just limited customization here then. That's from what I'm understanding here. So if we just do this, yeah. But we go to the component. Sorry. Yeah, the component. No, the... what is happening? Module, thank you. Dot pick icons. And then we'll go ahead and we'll say theme, color theme dot, I guess info, because we want blue. Dot primary. Doesn't have many options. Okay, I'm gonna look into this a little later, I suppose. Test backlog. Look into Bootstrap icons and efficient use of them. Oh, yeah, that's funny. Okay. All right, back to here. We'll go with this. Looks blue. Wonderful. Very annoying that I can't. Well, ooh, what if I, hold on, it is IBS. No, it needs to be IBS. Hold on, add the directive to the button. I'm kind of feeling smart. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, maybe. Height equals 4VW. No. Break. You can use width and height for icon. Grr. Oh, because I spelled it wrong. Oh. Height 4VW width. Does this put it in the center of the button? No, it still doesn't. 2 with 2. Oh, okay. You know what? I won't touch it. This clearly doesn't change anything. Background color, yes. Oh, no. What's the prototype color? I should have XD open, but I don't. Control-Alt-I. Cool. Copy the hex over. Wonderful. Oh no. Alright. Looks garbage. Let's try info. A little less garbage, but not all that much. 3. Border radius, I guess 100% was probably make it a circle. Sure. Let's go! Alright, and then question mark. Oh, frick, hold on. Question mark unclicked. Question mark clicked. Because then we'll change the background color to something darker, and that darker color is going to be, sorry, something lighter. And then I can do like, oh, how does this work? I think I can do change class based on condition Angular. I forget the syntax. That's exactly it. ng class, right? And then we put in a little object here. That's the problem with using that. And then, what is it? Button question mark unclicked. I want multiple. If button clicked, is that supposed to be a string as well? No, the whole thing is wrapped. Yes. Otherwise, button question mark clicked if button clicked. Boom. Yes, and then we go to the component and we say button clicked boolean equals false. And then on help click, we will also say this dot button clicked is equal to this dot, not this dot button clicked. Incredible. So now we should see the background change. Incredible. Love this. This is just the easiest thing in the world. Okay, let's go to the prototype here. Let's copy this text. Hi, thanks Rahul. Glad you're making use of the stream, if you will. It's pretty cool. Slash div. Oh snap! Once again, you see me, but I don't see you. All right. Okay, let's just make sure the whole. Actually, first up, P class equals info title. Y only Twitter login. And then we'll have P class equals info text. Nice spaces there, buddy. Oh god, it doesn't. TwitLess uses your Twitter account to show you a minimal version. Oh wait, hold on. I'm not tracking my time right now. I'm also not showing VS Code. I'm literally spending this whole time on a button. You know what? Hey, slow is better than nothing, honestly. Thus, we require you to. Isn't language just beautiful? The fact that I can make this all out. Your Twitter account. Like instead of we require, I could have said require, but that wouldn't make sense. It also means we don't have to do image verification or handle. Shouldn't be handle any data. TwitLess does not track any of your. You know what? Just a flex. Oh, if the PDF would show. That's hilarious. Oh, wait, I could scroll. I can't scroll. What the hell? Trello, you're garbage. No, I'm just kidding. I love you, Trello. It's just easier this way. TwitLess uses your Twitter account to show you a minimal version of Twitter. Thus, we require you to log in with your Twitter account. It also means we don't have to do image verification or handling any data. And then we want a BR here. TwitLess does not track any of your data or store anything beyond simple toggles planned in the settings page. How this works and what pages show can be found on the TwitLess repository link. Great. Easy done. All right. Class info bubble. So let's go ahead and do dot info bubble dot info title dot info text. Bubble background color should be the same as the clicked button. So A4, A4, A4. Info title should be, what should it be? Color, thank you. White? Probably not. I think off-white will be better. Color, white. Font size, 32 pixels. And then info text is also going to be white. But the font size is going to be 12 pixels. This is too much of a... I don't want it to be double. Okay. I want to make this so that I can just see it done. All right, will it work? Kind of. It kind of works. All right. Go into the CSS again. Width, 40%. And then border radius. We'll do 25, 20 pixels. Of course it's gonna do that. Padding, we'll do top 10 pixels, left and right 20 pixels. Alright, I'm gonna just because it's kind of annoying. Change this to true. Add a task to the backlog. Make the info bubble have the arrow thing and make it fade slide in. I should separate these two columns. Actually, hold on. There's a there's a whole point to this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a woke idea. Okay. How did I get this to center again? Let's find out. Oh, do I have to make the display inline? Of course I do. It's an inline block by default, I think. Don't quote me on that, it could be wrong. The hell is this? What? Hello? What? Hey, Jim. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, wow. The chat shows up below me before I can see it on... Good job. Lunch. It's a foreign thought at 9:20 a.m. Wow, it is already almost 9:30. And I've made one button. I'm just tired. I'm working slowly. It's fine. I'm still bouncing around between stream and coding on stream. Just like blanking. There's like weird pressure being live. That's sort of there, not really. Okay, so that's. Oh, I added a right. I'm good at this. It's fine. Cool. Boom. Done. Dunzo. Din diddly dip bop boo. I mean, yeah, sort of. Let me just make this back to true. Cool. You load up TwitLess and you're like, let me try that again. Make this false. You load up TwitLess and you're like, ooh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Log in with Twitter. You get an alert. You click the info button. Why only Twitter login? Well, you may ask. Well, there's a typo. I realized on Wednesday, I sat down and I wanted to stream, and it occurred to me that I have like, this is my first Angular project, and I was like, I'm gonna be learning, making an app, streaming, and embarrassing myself all at the same time. I want this text. I should not be focusing on the tiny details, but I want this text to be a little more. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I want it on the top and bottom though. Yeah. Is that? That's actually kind of nice on width. You do programming? Can you make me an app? Can you fix my WordPress site? Oh wait, whoops, I did this. Oh no, that was exactly what I meant to do. I actually want to make this like 10 pixels. Cool. And then the width of the whole thing can be 30%. Then the margin's gonna have to go down. Yeah, all right, that's a little better. This can probably drop down to 8, honestly. You will probably lose a huge number. Yeah, probably. It wouldn't surprise me. I prefer React, but I just want to push myself to learn something new. Resume builder, if you will. These are going to have to look better, obviously, but I should just make custom icons. Yeah. Make custom icons. This is the beautiful Trello board. All right, cool. Welcome page. Check off info button functional. We drag it to testing. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that. It freaking works. Yeah. Oh, wait, you can't see it. Okay, still can't see it. Yeah. Logging with Twitter. Hey, yeah. Cool. It's done. And we'll just put a quick date on it for the date of completion. Masochist. Yeah. Some call it learning, some call it masochism. I see no distinction. Okay, so now my goal, I guess, more so for today and tomorrow. I might add this early. I actually have work things to do. I usually start work at 10, but anyway. I probably do want to use Tailwind, but I want to do that when I when I actually put time for it to style things, right? So, fully style website using Tailwind CSS. What is needs discussion? What's the point of this? Of course, I didn't. Okay. back. You know, this is not back. Hang on. Necessary backlog. Is there a name for? No. You know what? I'm not gonna worry about this right now. It's just as things come up. It's the task backlog. Let's be honest. Okay, this is definitely back burner, but that's gonna be eventual. This will be eventual. This is be, I guess, back burner. No, I need to do that. Okay. What did I just move out of here? The tailwind thing. Okay. Oh, auth research. Yeah, just some basic start thinking about it. All right. I'm gonna wrap up then. What are my stream statistics? I'm curious. Oh, I have it open. It's pretty epic. We had 4 people at one point. Well, I will be doing this every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. For anyone watching the recording, cool. Thanks for watching. Thanks for people to come by the stream. That's like a fun, actually, present chat. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's good for me. You know, I probably would have not done this at all had I not told myself to sit down and stream. So let's go ahead and git add all, which is not a habit I should be getting into. I know. Git commit info button functional. Oh, you can't see VS Code. This arrow key thing needs to be figured out. And git push. Hurrah! Cool. And then I'll go merge that to develop and check out a new branch. So yeah, have a good one, everybody, and hopefully I will see you either Monday, Wednesday.